Talk.
Huh?
Talk.
Hey. I love Daddy and Mommy.
Tell Santa Claus what you want for Christmas.
A bicycle. A door bicycle. A little bicycle. A little door bicycle.
And what else?
A little bucket shell.
Is that all?
Uh-huh.
What's supposed to tell Santa Claus?
Whispering in his ear.
Huh?
Whispering in his ear.
You been a good girl?
Uh-huh. Yes.
Okay then.
Okay.
Say bye-bye. Say I love you, Santa Claus.
Love Santa Claus.
Ho ho ho.
Ho, ho, ho.
Bye-bye.